Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 14, 2023. 4 star Sudoku. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 216. So 216 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 4, 5, and 8. That three numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in another three cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, two numbers are remaining 1 and 9. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, and 2nd row, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row, column G, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column G and first grade, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column B, we have 1, 6 and 4, but 3 numbers can't come these cell, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 4th row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column B, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then in column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. 9th row, we have 7 and 9, so 7 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. 5th row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then in column C, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, 10th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 5 and 6, so 5 and 6 can't come these cell, it will come in another two cells. Column B, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 10th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, and then 8 is here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7. Column B, we have 1 and 7, so 1 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. 10th row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9, it will come in one of the cells, you will confirm later. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 3, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Column G, we have 7 and 8, so 7 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. Column E, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 3. Column E, we have 5 and 3, so 5 and 3 can't come this cell, it will be another two cells. column F, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 4. 7th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column G, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 8. 7th row and 6th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 2 and 8, it will come in other cells, we will confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 5th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 2 and 5, so 2 and 5 can't come these cells, it will be another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 5th row, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.